to say it with hope, and you were sure I couldn't agree that we were meant to be. But our love is what they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about.
Hey guys, welcome back. Anyway, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to Bells TV. What's up, Wagwan? Anyway, from the title down below, I'm going to use the cured activated charcoal to clean my teeth. I'm going to show you the before, I'm going to show you after. So you know, everybody knows the charcoal, activated charcoal, it's have a lot of benefits. Yeah, I'm gonna just put like a small paragraph where good for. Yeah, you know, say activated charcoal are basically the #1 thing that is not too expensive where you can use to clean your teeth. You know, you can do it from home. Simple procedure to clean your teeth. Anyway, the only thing you're gonna need is your toothbrush. I'm gonna have a new toothbrush because you know it will get black, so when I finish me can just throw it away. And you're gonna need obviously the charcoal and some water. I'm just gonna show you the step by step how me use it to clean my teeth. It's my first time using it, so let's jump right in the video. Anyway, before we go into the video, I just want to say thanks to all the love and the support that we have been receiving, even though we are not consistent on our channel. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to follow us on our social media platform. Our links will be in the description box. Yeah. And just comment, guys. Comment is good. Sharing is caring. Subscribing is also sharing as well. So don't forget for us to like, comment, and share, and just leave on the thoughts in the description box. But now I'll stretch out the video here, so let's jump right in there. I'm gonna go with the toothbrush. Zion, Zion, nobody but Zion that. So anyway, I'm gonna go with it. I'm gonna go like this. So that. Then so guys, you see that? See the difference? I'm gonna go back in with it one more time. I'll go back in with it one more time. So guys, here you have it. So what I do after, you will see in the clip before this, what I do, I going back a second time with it, and then now I use some toothpaste just to wash out my mouth, just to get rid of the black lining from around my teeth. You know, it I saw my black set, I go left like a little lining for your gum. So what I do, I'm going back with my toothpaste, and I just use the toothpaste and shake out my mouth so I can get around the areas around my teeth clean. So I'm going to show you an up close and personal video in my mouth. So don't come for me, guys, don't come for me. Yeah, so I'm going to show you now. So let's go. So here it is. So this is the finished look. See the difference? So there you have it, guys. Don't forget to like, comment and share, and you can go ahead and try it and let me know how it worked out for you guys. If you see a difference on your teeth, I know that it will definitely work as it worked for me. I see a big difference, even though my teeth, my bottom teeth, you know, have a little yellow, and let me tell you, lift up everything off it. So just go ahead and use it and let me know how it turned out, and don't forget to like, comment and share and subscribe, guys. Please, may I beg you to watch out the video them to the end. That is how I'm going to gain my hours, guys. I don't know, YouTube look like them a tamper with me my hours. I don't know what I want. Just I want to hold on and see what's going on. You know, me not give up. We not give up. We just continue putting the work, and I work on better videos and stuff like that. And don't forget, like, comment and share once more. All the information are going in the description box when you use to achieve this pretty white clean teeth. Bye guys, peace.